Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my good name is _Mando. Look back at Daily with Mando, and today guys, we have a YouTube video. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for na wakunda shoe. Ai ta acha niongeshe kitaita na wakunda shoe. Niwape nini? I'm at home guys, and today guys, me being at home nikasema mnalalamika sana niwape video. Tupe video. Mando, umenyamaza sana, tupe video. Mando, yes, we have a video guys. To my returning subscriber, thank you, continue liking, continue sharing. Sorry for about the last video ilitoka vibaya. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Ni inaitwa aje ile miss sijui nini. That one guys. But I'm really sorry. Mni support. Mniambie kuja tumekupea kamera. Yes guys. Anyways, thank you for the love. Today guys, so tuko na challenge hapa ili ya unga. Who's most likely? And guess who will be tuning in this video? My support system. Watu wangu wa power. Wameniambia, since umekuja nyumbani, kuja utufanyie video. We want a video. Want to be premier in your YouTube channel. I say, why not? And I'm here guys. Anyways, tuko na unga hapa. Unga hizi ni unga mbili. Unga ngano mbili. So sisi unga ngano mbili, moja ni yangu, moja ni ya ndugu yangu. And the one I will be outside there. Who will be standing here is not only who fathered me, my father. But anaulizwa maswali, anajibu. Who's most likely to? Yes. You better stay tuned, you better subscribe, you better like, you better share, you better comment. Yes, you better do all those three things. Mnaniambia, unatuambia tu comment na ujasha comment section. Leo nawasha just for you guys. I'm doing it for you. Yes. Acha wakuje, we start the video. Yes guys, as you can see tuko na yeye pia kwa video. Sijui ni muingize mtasho. I'm at home guys. Yes. Simnaona hizi tabia zinatoka wapi? Bado unaniambia. Yes. This one is the mother to my father, my grandpa, my grandma. My mother, my father. Grandfather. My father's mother. Yes, my father's father. My father. Yes guys. Sasa tungoje naongojea wakuje tufanye video. Wananichelewesha. Yes guys, we are back here in this video. As you can see guys. My father, Shamina Vigeregere. My brother, Shamina Vigeregere. So today guys, we're going to do who's most likely. Tunasomea swali, mwenye amefanya hiyo kosa anadikiwa kwa unga. Haya. Baba tunaanza.
Haya, to our first question. Who's most likely to be successful? Who likes to sleep the most? Who convinced you to be in the video? Who mostly likes to refuse to go to the bed? Who's your favorite? Who's the most dramatic? Who's stubborn? Who likes to watch TV the most? Who's the funniest? Who dances well? Who's the dancer? Who has a better style of fashion? Who likes to travel? Who's the meanest? The meanest.
Meanest.
Yes.
Hey, Baba.
Who loves shoes? Who's the loudest? Who's more likely to forget something? Who's the most organized person?
Organized person. Yeah.
Who is the laziest? Who is more social? Who is the cleanest? The cleanest.
Yeah, man.
Who's most likely to wake up early? Who likes to get to a fight? Who eats the most? Nani anapenda kula?
Oh my
Who is better at singing?
Finito. Thank you guys. Yes, thank you for
watching.
Who's ingine? Fikiria yako.
Who scares you the most?
Who
Scares.
scares me? Who scares? Nobody.
Yes.
Hey, kitosha bwana. Ingine. Anga kundo tokeleza. Wako wana ta America. Kuja kwa mangu. Sio nawe. Yeye anaenda viral kuja mangu. Yes, guys, thank you. This is my mom. Yes, that's my mama. Love you guys for watching. Yes, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. You better watch the video. You better subscribe, comment, like, share. Yes, guys.
Bye.
Bye.